Hey guys, Gene here at Firesprint. I'm out on the production floor. I know, I don't know if you guys are as crazy about like carts and just material handling as I am. I geek out over it. This is one of the things that the guys did. I really think this is just clever because it's so simple. So we love these Uline carts. We use them everywhere. We got the kind of narrower version here, and we've taken two pieces of, this is like oak. It's like wainscoting trim from the hardware store, from Home Depot, anywhere you buy it. And we've just bolted it down to the table, and that gives us this little edge. They've added some little rubber stops here, which I don't know are fully necessary. Not stops, but little pads. But then when we have, this is a partial roll, so I'm making it look easier than it is. When we have heavy rolls of media, particularly magnetic, you've got that, you load it on there. Very easy to carry. This whole cart's probably $100, $150 total, and most of that is in the cost of the cart, but that just gives us this tool. And with these wood pieces of trim on here, the cart's not totally worthless for something else because it sits relatively flat. So if obviously we're only using it for roll holding, but you're not totally killing the cart. You could also maybe come up with a way to quick mount these on there, maybe magnetic or just like kind of a drop-in pin system where you could take them off if you need to multi-use the cart. But really love this, so simple, and really just makes material handling a little easier. This is the red cart. What is the red cart? Well, we actually like to flame treat the edges of banner material. If we're running banner through our Colorados, we like to just, all the little frizzes and things like that, the extra stuff, we will take a torch and we'll actually just flame treat around that edge like that. And so we'll go, over there. And that just cleans it up and it runs through the printer just nicer. And so the guys set this cart up. They did such a good job. It looks so great. But we've got our kind of regular holder down here for holding a torch, and it looks like something we can buy, we can link to. We've got the heated holder, so after we're done torching this is still hot, so we'll actually kind of, I guess it goes in like that. And that'll just hold it up and away, and this is metal, so it's not going to melt anything. We, of course, have set up a couple of sets of our wood trim here that allows us to take a large roll and put it in this way, or a shorter roll and put it in this way, so we have access to the ends while you're flame treating things. A nice set of gloves is good, so we've got our gloves, and we added a grommet to the gloves so that they hang really cleanly right here on that S-hook. Reminds everybody to use them. And then the key, when you are opening up a banner container, we used to take a drill and like basically unscrew the screws that block of wood on the inside, and that took too long. So a friend of ours showed us to just use a crowbar and wedge it in there and rip that out. And that's our red cart. If this is the kind of content that you want to see, please leave a comment below and let us know that. We really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and check us out at firesprint.com.